Hi, everyone. I did a video on my other channel recently. It was a live, and I talked about my If I Drop Dead notebook, but this is so important. Everyone needs to hear it. I'm doing another video about it now. This is my If I Drop Dead notebook. Inside this is instructions for me and for anyone who would need to go into my Etsy shop or my website or my business just in general and turn everything off if something happened to me and I'm lying in the hospital in traction, or if I get hit by a bus, or for whatever reason. If something happened to me, there has to be a way that someone else who is not familiar with Etsy can go in and just step by step turn everything off, put your shop in vacation mode, refund all the orders if that's the situation, and just take care of your business if you can't do it. Now, I do have templates for this. I will put them in the description if you want to buy it, but you don't have to buy a template. Just take a notebook and write down step by step what someone would need to do if they had to go into Etsy and do that. And I had someone say that they're doing a computer file with screenshots. I think that's great, but I also think you should print it out, because if the computer dies and the person doesn't know where to get it, a hard copy will be fine. But just have something. And you also need something. And in these templates, it includes like every single one of my social media accounts and the passwords, what to do with them, every single one of my Etsy passwords for my shops, because I have 3 separate shops, how to get into them, just anything that's pertinent to your business that someone would need to know, and what to do in what order and what not to cancel right away, and just take care of it, because it's going to be too late if you don't, and you actually need this. Now, the reason this came up is that we've had several eShop members in the last year who've had to evacuate because of natural disasters, hurricanes, fires, floods, whatever is going on. And these things go on all the time. So they had to grab things and get out. And it's really important to have things in a specific place so that you can just grab it and get out, and then maybe pass it off to someone else if they need to do it for you. So please do not wait. Do this today. It's really important. And the templates that I have also include sections where you can put all of your suppliers and just general processes. Put it together, and if I call it a control journal, but I really call it my If I Drop Dead notebook. It's there, it's helpful, and you need to have one if you have a small business. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.